Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this high quality video edit on Capcut mobile. So to do that, we are going to add in some adjustments to this one. Select adjust here, and then you are going to select the graphs button, and you're going to do exactly what I'm doing right now. And once you're done, you're going to press checkmark button. You're going to then add in effects, video effects, and you're going to select lens, and you're going to add in the blur effect on top of that, which is, where is it? Here it is. Then you are going to export that first. Okay, go back and delete everything, like press undo. Then you're going to add that as an overlay, so select overlay and add in that as an overlay. Adjust the video, and then you are going to select blend mode, and you're going to select the, hold on, let me see which one it is. I think it's the color burn one, or was it the, I'm trying to find which one it is, hold on. Okay, it's the burn one, I'm pretty sure, and you don't want it to look very harsh, so adjust the opacity, add overlay, and add in a white stock video on top. Go to blend mode and select overlay. And here you're going to want to adjust the adjustments a little bit more. Where is it? Sorry, I'm trying to find the blend mode. Here it is. And also here you are going to adjust the the white overlay till the end. You're going to then select your image, and you're going to select adjust, and here's where you can adjust the brightness of the video, the contrast, and the exposure, and you're going to sharpen your video up more right here, and just adjust it to your liking. And as you can see, it creates a more high quality video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!